Hey guys, how's it going? New video from Passive Passion Online Income, where in today's video I'm going to be talking about the topic of passive income. Now, I keep getting asked these questions a lot, wherein most of my mentees, my students, they keep asking me, is there any business that can be created or formed without any kind of effort or action involved in completely? So first and foremost, that particular question itself is a very silly question, mainly because there is nothing that exists without any action or effort, as you know. And to talk about the passive income lifestyle that people keep, glorifying and exaggerating at times. In order to build that sort of a lifestyle, it takes lots and lots of action and lots of effort. So keep that in mind. All right. Second thing, any business, now what is actually the definition of passive income? Any income that you earn with limited or minimal effort is what is passive income. So take note of that. The definition doesn't say zero effort, all right? It says minimal to limited effort. So some classic example of passive income investments could be real estate investment, vehicle leasing investments, where you buy vehicles and lease it out to different companies or properties around the world. Businesses that does not require your presence on a consistent basis. It could be self-publishing business, it could be affiliate marketing business, it could be a video course business. So there are lots and lots of options out there in the market. So no matter what it is that you guys want to do, make sure that you take your time, do the research, do the due diligence, and accordingly make the investment and get started. So talking about passive income, anyone that talks to you saying that this is passive income, there is no work involved, is just trying to fool you around. All right. So hope you got a little bit of valuable information out of this video, and do not get trapped into anyone else that's trying to fool you around next time with the passive income ideas. So take care, guys. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Okay, more videos coming soon. You guys take care. God bless.